So, you're thinking about your future, maybe looking ahead to 2026 and beyond? If you're hunting for a career that offers real stability, incredible growth, and, a genuine sense of purpose, you really need to take a hard look at a career in health, safety, and environment.
Okay, let's really get into this. We are talking about a profession where the demand is just exploding. The pay is excellent, and the work you do has a direct, life-saving impact. Seriously, this isn't just another job. It's a career that's absolutely essential in every single industry you can think of, whether you're on a massive construction project out in Dubai or walking the floor of a super high-tech manufacturing plant.
When you boil it all down, this is the mission, right here. As a safety professional, you are the one person on site who is laser-focused on one critical thing: making sure that every single worker, from the brand new apprentice to the CEO, goes home at the end of the day in the exact same shape they arrived in. It's a massive responsibility, for sure, but the reward, it's just immeasurable.
All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What makes a career in health, safety, environment, and quality, or what we often call HSEQ, such a powerful choice right now? Well, the numbers alone tell a pretty compelling story. Let's talk about the money, because I know that's on your mind. That $118,000 you see, that's the 2025 average salary for HSEQ pros up in Canada. And believe me, it is climbing. And the picture is strong pretty much everywhere. In the US, the median is sitting around $79,000. But in those high-demand fields like oil and gas or renewables, it is not at all uncommon for senior roles to be pushing well into the high six figures.
And the demand? It's just incredible. A recent NIOSH study is projecting that employers are going to need to hire nearly 25,000 EHS, that's environmental health and safety professionals, in just the next 5 years. That is more than double the number of students graduating from these programs. This isn't just job security, my friends. This is a wide-open field of opportunity.
And the benefits, they go way beyond just a good salary and high demand. You see, since safety is a universal need, you're not locked into one industry for your whole life. You can build this incredibly dynamic career jumping between manufacturing, construction, tech, healthcare, you name it. You can work anywhere in the world, and there's a really clear ladder to climb, from a coordinator role all the way up to a director or even a VP of safety.
But beyond all those practical benefits, it always comes back to this. This quote from a seasoned pro just says it all. And it's why surveys consistently show that over 80% of safety professionals are satisfied with their careers. The real reward, the thing that gets you out of bed in the morning, is knowing your work directly keeps people safe and sound. You just can't put a price tag on that.
But hey, it is not all sunshine and safety awards. Let's be real. To truly decide if this is the path for you, you have to understand the daily challenges. This isn't just about reading policies from a book. It's about people, it's about pressure, and it's about finding your voice in some really tough situations.
This right here, this captures the central conflict of the job. You will constantly be in the middle of this tug of war between management pushing for production and your absolute non-negotiable duty to ensure safety. Your job is to find that sweet spot where work gets done efficiently and safely. Honestly, it can feel like a high-wire act a lot of the time.
You're going to face resistance. Some people will just see you as the safety cop, the person who only shows up to say no. The hours can be really long, especially when you're on a project site, and the stakes are incredibly high. And yeah, if something does go wrong, you might be the first person they point a finger at. You absolutely need a thick skin to succeed and not take things personally.
And this is the kind of raw honesty you'll find on forums like Reddit, where pros share the unvarnished truth. This quote about burnout is real. The constant pressure, the fight for getting the right resources, and the emotional weight of dealing with incidents, it can be absolutely exhausting. Burnout is a real risk that you have to manage with resilience.
Okay, so with all those challenges laid out on the table, who is the person that actually thrives in this role? And maybe more importantly, why is 2026, in particular, shaping up to be such an exciting and pivotal time to jump into this field? Let's break down what it really takes to build a successful, long-term career.
Success in this field isn't just about memorizing regulations. It's about being a great communicator who can actually win over a skeptical team of, let's say, grumpy old-timers. It's about being resilient enough to handle that daily pressure we talked about. It's about being incredibly detail-oriented, because in this job, one tiny missed detail can literally cost someone their life. And you have to be a lifelong learner, because the rules, the tech, and the best practices are always changing.
And this is why the future is so bright. The role of a safety pro is getting a massive upgrade. Companies are now focusing on these broader environmental, social, and governance goals, or ESG, which puts you right at the strategic heart of the business. And the new tools? They are game changers. I mean, think about it. AI can now analyze incident reports to predict where the next risk might pop up. Drones can inspect dangerous, high-risk areas without putting anyone in harm's way. This tech doesn't replace you, it elevates you into a more effective, data-driven strategist.
So we've looked at the incredible rewards and the very real challenges. We've explored the kind of person who really thrives in this environment and why the future of the profession is more promising than ever before. Now the question comes right back to you.
The bottom line is this: a career in safety is stable, it's in demand, and it's deeply meaningful. You can build a fantastic life for yourself while protecting the lives of others. But it is not for the faint of heart. It demands resilience, conviction, and, yep, that thick skin we keep talking about.
So as you think about your future in 2026 and beyond, you have to really ask yourself that question. Are you the kind of person who's ready to take on all that pressure for the incredible reward of making a genuine difference in people's lives every single day? If this honest look at a safety career has you feeling inspired, maybe a little fired up, and ready to take the next step, I really encourage you to subscribe to the ITeachSafety YouTube channel. You're going to find a ton of practical career advice, guides on certifications, and real-world safety tips to help you on your journey. Go on and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.